Behold! Yerba mate. Boosts. If thou art seeking a healthy lifestyle, stay with me until the end of this video, for it is tailored to thee. Today, we shall discuss an herb that bestows great health benefits, aiding in weight loss and liver detoxification. Those who guessed yerba mate were correct. Before we commence with discussing yerba mate's benefits, permit me to ask you to subscribe and hit the notification bell, to stay informed of all the happenings on our channel. Let us now delve into yerba mate's benefits. Firstly, yerba mate reduces physical and mental exhaustion. The plant serves as a natural stimulant for the nervous system and can serve as an alternative to coffee. This reduction in fatigue is primarily caused by some alkaloids, including caffeine, which is also present in yerba mate. Although caffeine concentrations may vary between different plants, the effects of caffeine in yerba mate are as potent as those in coffee, without causing nervous surges or adrenaline spikes resulting from excessive coffee consumption. Secondly, yerba mate reduces cholesterol and triglycerides, primarily due to the presence of saponins, which reduce fat absorption in the intestine and consequently, the concentration of fat in the blood. Thirdly, yerba mate has anti-diabetic potential. Some studies corroborate the theory that ingesting yerba mate reduces glucose absorption in the bloodstream. Fourthly, yerba mate aids digestion. The herb combats constipation and facilitates digestion of ingested food. Many people argue that drinking yerba mate after a heavy meal brings a sense of intestinal well-being. Fifthly, yerba mate contains many vitamins and minerals highly beneficial to health, including manganese, iron, potassium, phosphorus, vitamins A, B1, B2, C, and E. Sixthly, yerba mate possesses antioxidant properties. Like tomatoes, strawberries, cherries, and other red fruits, yerba mate has a high concentration of antioxidants. Antioxidants prevent cellular aging in our body by combating the presence of free radicals, which cause aging. Some research comparing different types of teas suggests that yerba mate has more antioxidants than green tea, for instance. Seventhly, yerba mate has a diuretic effect, which eliminates fluids, benefiting the kidneys and removing excess substances such as sodium, which can cause high blood pressure. It also helps eliminate toxins from our bodies, thus improving metabolism. Eighthly, yerba mate has a thermogenic effect, which accelerates basal metabolism. This causes your body to naturally burn more calories throughout the day and thus aids in weight loss. Finally, but not least, the ninth and final benefit we bring to your attention is yerba mate's potential aphrodisiac effect. Yes, you read that right. Yerba mate stimulates testosterone production, which can be used to combat infertility and sexual impotence. Now, let us proceed to the long-awaited moment for everyone. Let's share our recipes to make it home. The first recipe we will teach you is the lemon and mint infusion. To prepare this refreshing and healthy infusion, you will need 1 liter of water, 2 tablespoons of yerba mate, juice of 2 lemons, and mint leaves to taste. Simply boil the water and add the yerba mate, letting the infusion rest for 10 minutes. Then, add the lemon juice and mint leaves and strain the mixture. Serve it hot or cold according to your preference. The second recipe that you can easily make at home is the ginger and cinnamon tea. If you are looking for a comforting and flavorful tea, try this recipe with yerba mate, ginger, and cinnamon. To prepare, you will need 1 liter of water, 2 tablespoons of yerba mate, a small piece of grated ginger, and a cinnamon stick. Boil the water and add the yerba mate, ginger, and cinnamon. Let the mixture rest for 10 minutes, strain it, and serve it hot. Lastly, we will teach you how to make a yerba mate and fruit smoothie. For a sweeter and more refreshing option, try this smoothie with yerba mate and fruits. You will need 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of orange juice, and a tablespoon of yerba mate. Blend the banana, strawberries, and orange juice in a blender until you get a homogeneous mixture. Then, add the yerba mate and blend it again. Serve it chilled to enjoy a delicious and healthy drink. And that concludes our video for today, folks. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share our channel's videos. Remember to always consult your doctor in case of doubts. Thank you for watching, and until next time.